News, tributes pour in for gospel singer Pastor Neyi Zimu. Social media has been flooded with tributes to gospel singer and Pastor Neyi Zimu after news of his death on Wednesday. Neyi was recently admitted to Busamed Hospital in Modderfontein, Gauteng, for treatment of a rare blood disorder that affected his skin. The news of his death broke on Thursday morning, shocking the country. In a statement on social media last month, Neyi's wife, Dlathu, said he was undergoing chemotherapy for mycosis fungoides. Friend and gospel singer Dlathu shared his shock and heartbreak at the news on Twitter. "Nothing would have prepared me for that call. Number of Neyi Zimu. You represented the kingdom so well. Thank you for the contribution you have made and how you have touched our lives. Forever loved, and your ministry will live on." People have been sending tributes and sharing that his songs uplifted them when they were down. The family of gospel artist Neyi Zimu said they were devastated by his untimely death as he showed signs of improvement following a long battle with skin cancer. The 49-year-old musician was undergoing chemotherapy to treat a rare blood cancer that affects the skin when he passed away on Wednesday evening. Zimu leaves behind his wife Dlathu and their 3 children. His brother Silas said his passing came as a surprise to the family. "We had a very surprising turn of events because all along he was doing fine. We were looking forward to having him released. He was even planning what he was going to do for Christmas, but Wednesday turned out to be a completely different day." His family will release further details of his burial in the upcoming days.